But to be fairly transparent with you, and we don't have a big design system inside Linear. One of the reasons we don't have it is because we still think that the tools will evolve, and as we are only two designers or like three designers for a very long time, we didn't have time to build anything like this. And we are always aware that we might make bigger change in the UI and in navigation over time. So spending the time to build a system that in the end we might break in 1 or 2 days or 2 months is not worth it for us. And I think there are different stages of a company. We are scaling up in terms of design. So now we feel more and more the need to maybe having a proper design system. And I think it makes sense for the stage we are entering now. But I think when you are very early on your product, spending the time designing systems, it's to me the time that you don't spend improving your product. So it's the philosophy behind there was that if you are alone or if you are one or two designer working on a product, all the time you will spend designing the design system is the time that we are not building new things or improving the thing you already have. And once you reach the stage where you can maybe have somebody full time in your team doing that, then you have product designer just doing product things. I think that shift makes sense maybe. But I feel like, and I see that with younger designer I talk to, they are very excited about showing me their file with all their components in there. But when I look at the product, I'm like, yeah, it's very different from what you're showing me now. And I think it's very hard if you are alone to maintain a proper design system that look like the prod. Like most of the time, if I do small improvement, I will just take a screenshot of the app and just design on top of it because in the end, what is the user looking at? Like, okay, maybe your file looks fancy and super nice, but if in production you don't have the same thing, that there is a problem for me. Like everything that's happening behind the scene is nice. I'm very excited to see that happening, and I think we have better tools to do that. So for sure, it's cool. But in the end, the people that are looking at your product every day, what do they see? And I think that should be even more if you are early stage, really your focus on like what is the user experiencing every day and how you design on top of that. Also with real data. Linear is a tool with a lot of text, a lot of data. So sometimes it's will take you forever to actually recreate a string a screen, sorry, that already exists in the app because you will have to create 1,000 issue with a lot of project, a lot of labels. So yeah, you can just also grab a screenshot and edit it quickly and like realize, okay, is this going to work or not? So I think for us, it's been very hard to create a proper design system that would scale quickly and that could have scaled the fastest way for us to build. And yeah, we didn't have the resources and actually we didn't feel the need to do it.